The Tortoise and the Butterfly. Short moral story. A tortoise and a butterfly lived near a pond. The butterfly often teased the tortoise, saying, "You're so slow. I can fly anywhere in seconds." The tortoise replied, "Slow and steady is my way." One day, a storm came, and the strong wind blew the butterfly far away. The tortoise, safe in his shell, slowly made his way back to his shelter. When the storm ended, the butterfly returned, tired and shivering. The tortoise shared his food and said, "Speed isn't always everything." The butterfly nodded, understanding the value of patience. Moral: slow and steady can overcome life's challenges. Thanks for watching.